Hi guys, Tether Phil Pips back here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to identify and replace a EI166 smoke detector, an EI166rc smoke detector. I'm going to show you how to identify if it needs replacing, how to take it off the base, and what you'll be looking for a replacement. So obviously this one isn't hooked up to the mains, but first thing you'd want to do would be to take it off mains power so you don't get shocked. Second thing you'd want to do would be to check the date on the alarm. So just using this alarm as an example, as you guys can see, it's a rechargeable lithium cell alarm. So if we take a look here, June 2017 is when the alarm needs to be replaced. So June 2017. So this alarm is indeed expired. So you might notice it's expired by, it's obviously the date is gone. The date on it has it shows it's expired, or you hear a sort of a chirping in the night or something like that. You hear a frequent chirping in the night, or the alarm just goes off for no reason sometimes. These are all signs of a smoke detector that needs to be replaced. So the smoke detector, just hit the smoke detector off of the base. It has a slot. Actually, not even beat. No, it's completely clipped onto the base, but you have a slot just in there like that. And what you do is you stick a screwdriver in there and just push it down like that. And at the same time, once you've done that, you're going to want to push the alarm away from you like that, and then you can take the alarm off. And yes, this alarm did indeed need replacing, as you guys can see. June 2017. This one has got a battery built into it, so if it was beeping, you'd need to replace the whole head. But yeah, so that's all good. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to stop for a second. So next thing you will want to do with the smoke detector is, if it needs replacing, as you can see, it says on here, battery not replaceable, see instruction leaflet. So that smoke detector is past its 10 years. So let's, for example, it's not actually, it has passed its 10-year date, but it's not, it still works, but it's for show. So, okay, so say this one's pretty much, in reality now, past its 10-year date, that's useless pretty much now. Well, as they say, these are pretty much in the smoke alarm world. Once they're past 10 years old, that's deemed useless. So this can go over there for the minute. So the upgraded smoke detector, at one stage, you would have either had an EI141 ionization smoke detector. It does have an alkaline battery in it, but in this case, this is what you'd have replaced it with. This is a slightly newer model, EI166rc, which is pretty much exactly the same thing as you can see as that. And this would just clip on, but this detector is over 10 years old as well. Now, a very basic replacement you can get is a EI146E optical smoke detector. This has a battery that you can take out of it, but all we need it for is the alarm. So literally just pull that out, pull the cover off of it, and then that's got its own mounting plate. So if we're reusing the old mounting plate. So this and that can all go over there for a minute. That can go over there. And obviously, doesn't matter what kind of alarm it is, the 3000 series and the 150 or the 160, the 140, 160 series and the 3000 series and the 2110 and stuff like that all fit the same base. So literally what this does is you just line up the big electrical connector with that there. You just pop it on and you pull it back until you hear a click. Like that. And now obviously you'd bring mains power back to it and then you'd press the test button, which I'm not going to do right now. And obviously that's your smoke detector replaced. Now look at the smoke detector. Obviously make a note down when this base is terrible actually. That's why I use this one, because that one was a new one. So as you guys can see, that's brand new and nice condition compared to this one was always dodgy. So check with the manufacturer and make a date down when you installed it. As you can see, it was made in March 2026. So this expires in March 2037. And if you also look on the back, there should be a date on the back of it. So obviously it's got the same slot. You put your screwdriver in to take it off. So there's a catch, and then you just push it off like so. And then there also thought there was a date on the back, but there must not be. But that is the main date of replacement. So that's when the alarm needs to be replaced. So there you go. And obviously once you would put this on the base, recommence the electrical power, and then you would press the test button to make sure that the unit works. Anyway guys, if this was useful, then thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and see you soon. Bye.